Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today we are looking at the Captain Flint's Revenge from Picaroon Tools. This is a interesting but also very simple design. If you're familiar at all with impact weapons, you can probably guess how this works. I put it in my hand. This is copper with a hammer and patina finish, the Flint. Very neat little guy. Doesn't feel like it weighs hardly much at all. I like the finish. You could probably use it like this, but it really is meant to be used pretty much like this. I mean, this would fit into basically anything. I realize this makes it look like it maybe it wouldn't, but these are very bendy. So really the thickest part of this is this nylon spacer. I have put a green, toxic green looking thing on it. And then of course it has the bottle opener. With shipping, this was like 25 bucks or so. Yeah. Glad to have it in the collection. I think it'll stick around simply because it's so utilitarian. It's also, unless you know what it is, I think this would escape most people's internal catalog of images and shapes, so to speak. So yeah, check it out if you're so inclined. That's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. Hope you folks have a good rest of your day. Bye now.